Have you ever booked a ride, ordered food, or shopped online and paid without opening a banking app? That seamless experience is called the embedded finance, and it is quietly transforming the world of money. Hello everyone, this is Chandri Bhattacharya from Dr. Shorop's classes, and today we will understand what embedded finance is and why global companies are adopting it and why it is one of the most important fintech skills for the students. Embedded finance means integrating the financial services directly into the non-financial platforms. Payments, loans, infrastructure, and the investments are offered inside the apps like e-commerce, ride, and the food delivery without visiting our bank website. Now, behind the scenes, embedded finance works through the APIs and banking as a service platform, digital KYC and identity verification, real time payments, and the credit scoring and secure data sharing. Banks provide the infrastructure, fintech firms provide the technology, and business delivers smooth customer experience. Now, examples include the in-app wallets and the UPI payments, instant loans at checkout, insurance while booking the travel, and salary advances through the employer apps. So, finance becomes invisible but powerful. Now, let's come to the benefits and the social impact. Embedded finance increases the convenience and speed, financial inclusion, access for the small business and gig workers, and people who never used banks earlier now access the finance through everyday apps. However, the risks exist like data misuse, overlending, or the lack of transparency. That's why RBI guidelines, compliance system, and the ethical design are very essential. This creates strong demand for the RegTech professionals. Embedded finance creates roles like the product managers, API and the platform analysis, compliance specialist, risk and fraud analyst, and the fintech consultants. These roles need both technical and the financial knowledge. At Dr. Shorov's classes, students learn the embedded finance through the practical examples, real business models, and regulatory frameworks. We focus on the concept clarity, exams, and the career readiness with personalized mentoring and small batches. Banking is no longer a place you visit, it's a service that follows you everywhere. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and join Dr. Shorov's classes where fintech is taught for the future. Join us today and see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing with only us. Bye-bye.